Here are the basic steps to keep your sprinklers from freezing in the next few days. Step 1, shut your water off. This is either going to be in the basement or in a stop and waste in your front yard, just like this one. Next, find your backflow valve. These are not cheap, and usually this is going to be the first thing on your system that freezes and cracks. So grab your flathead screwdriver. Most of these are going to have 4 valves on the top. Take your screwdriver and turn this a quarter of a turn. You're going to want to do this to each of these 4 valves. It's very normal for water to drain out the bottom. That's a good sign. That's the water that would have frozen and cracked your backflow. An additional step you can take if you have this backflow, let's remove this center vessel just by unscrewing these 2 screws, pulling the wedge up, and taking this into the garage. Tuck this thing away for the winter. I would also consider getting your sprinkler system blown out with compressed air. It's something I do on my system every year. Now, this is not a service we offer, so if you are looking for a company or if you just have any questions, please let us know.